Right. Yep. I know
Yeah,
that. Yep.
yeah. And anyway, merged another story to the development. Because of that one, he changed my file branch spec. I got merge conflicts.
Right. Okay. Um, well, let's start the Scrum then, okay? And then we'll come back to that.
Okay.
All right. Okay, but I guess I'll go first this time. What have I been up to? So, after our Friday meeting with the client, I did some notes write-up the next day in Slack. You saw those, of course. Explained to everybody else on the team what went on.
Yeah.
I prepared some stories for voting
Mm-hmm.
because I thought we might have a MOOC student coming in. And this morning, in fact, after the Scrum, the Martin Fowler Scrum, we did have somebody who had joined the Scrum who wanted to vote on a story for the MOOC course, for the homework, and then take the course. So that's Paul, see, I forget his last name, begins with a C. Anyway, he joined, and we voted on some stories. He's taken one of them. You might see his name in there in the in progress or column. And let's see what else. I did review a pull request on another project, the so-called SHF project. Been taking a little bit of time looking at that stuff. So did not do anything else for the MetPlus project today, but probably get back to that tomorrow. And that's it
What
for
is
me.
the Okay? What is the SHE project?
SHF project, that's Sam, Harry, Frank. It's a project having to do with an organization of dog owners in Sweden
Mm-hmm.
or something like that. I already told you more than I actually know.
Mm-hmm.
One of them reached out to me and asked me if I could look at a PR because they wanted a little bit more experienced view. So I did,
Mm-hmm.
and so I've been helping them out from that point of view. And I really haven't learned anything about the project beyond that. I probably should if I'm going to continue to review PRs for them. So, yep. They're developing the user interface in Swedish, so it's tough for me to figure out what's going on there. But anyway, the code, of course, is in English, so I can read that. So that's pretty much it. So just a side activity for me to help them out. So that's it for me. Sorry,
Yeah,
Jen.
Patrick, I reviewed my PR, his comment.
Mm-hmm.
I checked the code and I removed the whatever the change. I ran the Hookup aspect test.
Mm-hmm.
All tests are passed. Then I used the Hookup for the syntax and spaces.
Mm-hmm.
And I found without I remove that one, I have some offenses is detected. That's why I need to change there. And after that, I went to my GitHub. I have already merged conflict. That's why I'm in the development bench. I create the pull request to the development. I merge into the my local development, and I
Mm-hmm.
ran R-Specters. Now Cucumber is running. Once the Cucumber test is completed, I will rebase into the my current branch.
Into your
That's
feature
all.
branch. Okay.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
I
Mm-hmm.
work on notifications, job seekers. Finally, I found displaying all the emails for the job seekers. I did some work yesterday. I have to test. I
Uh,
used the Rails console to display this one.
which story are you working on now? Sorry.
I did not remember that number. I have to check. I will tell you.
Okay. Let's see.
Yeah, 481.
481.
Yeah.
And what's that story concerned with?
Uh, Notify the job seekers and the job is removed.
Oh, right, right. Yep.
Yeah.
Got it. Yep. Okay. So you said you wanted to or you've been viewing the email that's being sent out. Is that right?
Yeah.
And you're using your Rails console to do that?
Yeah.
Okay.
What I did is I found job applications plus
Mm-hmm.
job seekers dot email.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah.
Do you know that you can look at what the jobs the email structure looks like from your user interface?
I have to check that one. Notify email has job seeker is included or not. I have to check one. Each
Right.
time we are notifying separate job seeker emails that we are pushing. I have to check that.
Yeah, that you send it to the right place and all that, huh?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. All right, good. Let me see. One thing here while we're on the line here. Yeah. Do you know when you've got your server running?
Mm-hmm.
Here, let me show you. I guess that's it for the Scrum. Let me see. Where's my? Okay. Let me show you something on my screen. Okay.
Okay.
So I know you're not. You're looking to see if the email is being sent to the right address and all of that, right? In the console.
Yeah.
This is not going to help you with that, but if you do have the app up and running,
Mm-hmm.
what you can do, and you may know this, but if not, it's helpful. You can go to localhost 3000 and then enter Rails,
Mm-hmm.
and then /mailers.
Mm-hmm.
This will show you all the mailers, all the email that is sent out by the system, and it will just, and you can click on any one of these. For instance, if you wanted to see the email that is sent to a company when the registration is approved, you click on that, and this will go out, and using test data, it will show you what the email looks like that's going to be sent. So that may be
Okay.
useful for you to look at as well. Just curious,
Okay.
what do we got? 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We've got 15 emails being sent out now amongst these
Okay.
different things. So just something useful to know.
Yeah.
So, and that way you can get familiar with the email very quickly.
Yeah.
All
That
right.
is useful.
Yeah, it is useful, actually. It's a useful tool.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so you're going to rebase against development. Hopefully it's not too bad for you. I did a rebase against
Yeah.
development because I have a merge conflict at the end of
Yeah.
last week, I think. It was it took a while. It was a bunch of big conflicts, so hopefully it's not too bad for you. So I know you put an explanation in your PR as to why you changed the branches controller. Hopefully that's, I see that, and we're trying to meet RuboCop requirements, so hopefully it's not a problem. So just question though, why did you actually run RuboCop against the branches controller? Because the branches controller wasn't actually included in your PR for any other purpose. You know what I mean?
No, not the branches control. Now the company controller I have before some merge conflict.
Ah, okay. So it's company controller that
Yeah,
tool is
company
asking
control.
about?
That's why I resolve the issue that the branch spec is in my company's control. Company authentication branch. Otherwise, I don't need to go there.
Yeah, gotcha. Okay. All right.
Yeah, that file is existing in my current branch.
Got it. Great.
Yeah.
Okay, well that should clear it up then. Okay, Vijay. That's
Okay,
good to hear.
bye,
Good
Patrick.
progress.
Yeah.
All right, we'll talk to you later. Yeah,
Yeah.
bye now.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Bye.
Bye now.